Here guys, here's what I was telling you. I got my white wire coming in, which is my power. See on my flashlight, that comes in, and you can see where it comes right there. It comes in right here, right there. So I got my black wire coming in. I got my white wire coming in, and then I got my green. See, here's my green, here's my black, and here's my white. Here's my plug. I'm gonna tie green to green, black to black, and white to white. I'll send another video. Okay, video number 2. As you can see here, this is my neutral coming in, which would be my green. This is my black coming in, and then under here is my white coming in. You see we got tape around them to label them. But now, down here, these 3 right here is the wires on my furnace side. So I got my green right here. You can see it right here. I got my green, my black, and my white. Hello. This is the furnace side. So this is what I hook my power cord. See that black cord? The black cord comes all the way over to here. Right here. So, and what I'm gonna do is that this right here, if I want to power something else up here, I got 2 more extra spaces, but this right here is where I'm gonna plug in my cord coming from my generator. It's gonna put power here. It's gonna send power to my black wire, which come all the way around, and it's gonna wire up my furnace, because this is my furnace wires. Again, this right here is coming from my box, my electrical box outside, my fuse box in my garage. These are the black, white, and green right here that goes to my furnace. You can see those wires to the furnace. Then I got my black cord coming around right here. So now I'm fixing to go down and turn my generator on and plug this in and watch the furnace power up.
I thought I seen it when I
Yeah.
okay. Let me go make sure this thing is turned up.
Okay. As you can see now, we have the orange cable from the generator, and we got it tied around here, so if somebody pull it from down there, it won't jerk this. You see it's running down, and it's running down to our generator, and you can see, you might can't see it, but it's a green light on, but the furnace is running. This is video of my orange power cord going to my furnace upstairs. It's running my heat.
Man, this is done all the way. See there?
Also on the video,
I'm gonna take this one out too.
okay, redo it. On the video, we installed the female end here on the coming from the fuse box, so we can, if we want to connect the fuse box connection back up, we just plug on this yellow one and we plug it into the black one, which is down there. So we unplug the black wire and we'll plug it into the orange wire, and that connects us back to the fuse box connection. Using this as a female and male quick connect.